Kublai pi baro kini kilongki kubor pamdagasngi. Menteri Rangba Ka Jaka Meghalaya Conrad Sangma uloong ba kajingi khun ka batre ha krukam ka Kyrpang positive competitiveness kalong ka Donkam ba ha kajingi chaprang jong kathan Shatei Lam-Mihngi. Kamtam haba pai sha kajingpen sa anam ya kani kathan kum ka music destination. Haba krench kilat pathai kubor Conrad uloong ba kathan Shatei Lam-Mihngi kadon pun ki benta ki bala ban pelong ya ka kum ka Jaka ka bala khmi lenti de ki pait ba jong ka ri ba ka prathai. Ka wow Meghalaya ba ka Shillong ka nang yo ka jeng kershan hadin ba kathan ka lakalong ka Jaka pa pau ha ka map jong ka music tourism. Henry omdei tangi ka Meghalaya kumju ki we ki jillaru ki donna ki jong ki jeng Kyrpang ulaong. Ulaong ru ba man la ka jilla kathan ba ka sor kaladon la ka jong ka uniqueness ba ka competitive advantage ka ba debel nong ka lenti trikam ba kongsan jong ki sorkar jilla. Namar kata kamdei ba ngipet ya ka ne kum ka jeng iakhun. Ka jingwan jengki kum kine kanang yai bha ya ka than baro ka wei kum ka Jaka pa paunam ha ka music industry la banram Menteri Rangba. Ulo ongru ba ka sarkar Meghalaya ka pdeng so bhai ki jingkiu shaprang jingki wei par ki jilla ha ka leng ka music tourism na mar ka long ka jingkar khuna ka benta ka than baro ka wei. Ka than Shatei Lam-Mihngi ka de ka than ka bla pau ha ka akor ba khamtam ha ka jing seng nam ha ka music ngi kerman. Ba baro ki jilla kin yai ne lang ban kentiu ka roi ka par jong ka than ula.
I always feel that positive competitiveness is very very important, and it is promoting the Northeast as a destination, and it's a great thing. Meghalaya and Shillong will always have its niche. There are certain factors that are different when it comes to Shillong and it comes to Meghalaya, and certain aspects different when it comes to Assam and Guwahati. So each state, each region, each city has got its own uniqueness and own competitive advantage. And I think playing around those competitive advantages is what is should be the strategy of every state government. And therefore, we don't see it as a competition. I think overall, it is promoting the region as a whole as a destination for music. We have always said that Northeast region is a music destination, and we welcome this move, and we hope that all the Northeast states move forward together in creating a very very healthy area and competition and promote music and concert economy for the entire nation and for the world.
So there